Begin the lower body focus cardio stepper workout by performing 1 minute of full steps at a comfortable pace. During this first minute, your body should begin to warm up while muscles in your lower body will be engaged to help them be better prepared to perform the lower body exercises that will come later in the workout. Always remember that throughout your workout, you should maintain a consistent breathing rate. The first lower body exercise you will perform after 1 minute of full stepping are bodyweight step squats. To perform the step squats, first make sure that your foot platforms are at an even height. Once you have your pedals at an even height, begin your step squats by pushing your hips back and bending your knees. Drop your hips down toward the ground while maintaining a neutral spine position. Lower your hips down until your thighs are about parallel to the ground. Press evenly through the bottoms of your feet to raise your hips back up into a standing position before performing the next step squat. Remember to perform slow and controlled reps so you stay balanced on the stepper for the full minute. Performing these squats will help develop strength and endurance in your muscles of your hips, thighs, and core. The next exercise will be step back lunges. Begin the first lunge by pressing one of the foot platforms down until it is in contact with the stepper frame. Once the foot pedal is completely lowered, step off with your opposite foot to perform your first lunge. Drop your back knee while maintaining a good upright posture with slightly flexed hips and press forcefully into the front foot pedal to stand back up and place your opposite foot back on the foot pedal. Press the opposite foot pedal down to begin the next lunge on the opposite leg. Perform slow reps, being careful to maintain good balance during each lunge. Lunges are great for developing strength in each leg while helping you also improve your balance. Up next, you will be performing Sumo Squats. Step completely off the stepper and place both feet in a wide squat position, with the back of the stepper, foot platforms directly under your hips. Your toes should be slightly externally rotated. Maintain an upright posture while dropping your hips down toward the ground. Lower your hips until your fingers meet the lowest foot pedal. Extend your hips and knees to stand back up from the sumo squat position before completing further repetitions. If it is uncomfortable to squat all the way down to the lowest foot pedal, you may squat to a depth that is comfortable for you. For the last exercise in the lower body focus workout, it is important to go slow and work on your balance. To perform the knee drive stabilization exercise correctly, first press one foot platform down and then drive your opposite knee up until your thigh is parallel to the floor. Try to balance with your knee up for a moment before lowering your leg and performing the knee drive on the opposite side. If it is too difficult to hold your balance or raise your leg up, you may perform the same movement off the step. Knee drives with stabilization are an excellent exercise to help you increase your balance and stability for many different activities that require you to stand on one foot. complete the knee drives with stabilization, rest for 30 seconds before starting the next round of full stepping, followed by the lower body exercises. If you are just starting your exercise program or are new to stepping and these lower body exercises, start performing 1 to 2 rounds before you increase to the 3-round workout. This will help your body get used to the movements, which will help prevent overtraining early on in your program.